Hi, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd bring you along on a behind the scenes shoot and let's see what we can do. Shooting a Porsche Cayenne tonight. It's my first time using studio lighting for the car, waiting for it to get a little bit darker before I'm going to do the shoot. I've got a very specific idea in mind of how I want to light the car and what I want the situation to look like. I'm hoping for a very dark background to light just the areas of the car that I'm hoping to get lit. So we'll see how that goes and hopefully I can pull it off. Like I say, I've never done this before. Stick around, let's see how I do. Alright, so I've just wrapped up with the shoot. It did not go as planned at all. I think what I learned tonight is that using these studio lights is way more difficult than what I thought it would be, especially if you're not doing it in a studio environment. So as you can see, the area here, there's a whole bunch of lights on. I did manage to get most of them switched off, but it's still, I think I just need a lot more practice with it. So I'm going to post this video anyway, because I think we often see so many guys just do a setup, you know, push out a shoot and it's perfect, it's fantastic, and it works every time. What I eventually did was I just used the camera without the studio lighting, just using these lights around here that you can see. And I'll post some of those photos now. And then this is what the photo looked like using the studio lights. So I think you can tell that I need a bit more work on that. I need a bit more practice. It's one of those things, you know, you got to learn, you got to go somewhere. It's something I haven't done before. It's not a failure, it's a step towards success. So guys, please, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.